This video will show you how to use the visual ranking tool. To get to this tool, click on or go to www.intel.com/education/tools. We're going to be looking at the visual ranking tool, but once you're on this page you can see that this is the location for all the thinking tools and the productivity tools. Let's click on Visual Ranking Tools link. And once on this page, you can see that you can overview the benefits of that tool, you can try out the tool, you can look at a number of examples and instructional strategies for using the tool. We're going to log in as a student here. And the teacher ID is P. Macchia, which will be the same ID for all the projects of this course. And the team ID you can find in Blackboard under team assignments, and the team ID is the same as the team password. Let's see if I can type and talk at the same time. And we're going to look at the visual ranking projects, and we're going to click on most important events in U.S. history. And you can see there are 5 events that I've created, and the prompt that the students have, or the task the students need to complete, is to rank order the 5 events in U.S. history which you think are the most important, and you give reason why. And what the students do is drag these events and put them in the order that they think is the most important. And not only do they need to rank order them, they need to tell us why they feel a particular event is the most important. And they put it in the comments area, and they use it just like a word processor. And we'll just say, I think blah, 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 and click OK. Now once they do that, they can see that the reason, there's a little triangle, and they can see what they thought, so they go back and review it quickly. If they need to change it, they can double click on it and go back in and change it again. And that's all there is to using the tool for the students to rank order them. But an interesting thing about this is they can also see how other teams are doing. This is true if the teacher, when they developed this, selected that they can compare their teams, and we'll look at that later when we see how you actually build one of these things. So we can compare our team with team 2, and we can see how we correlate with them. Now obviously we have a negative correlation of 0.60, which is a very low correlation, and this might stimulate some good discussion as to why Declaration of Independence was ranked the highest on one and the next the lowest on another, and why Brown v. Board of Education was ranked low on one and high on the other. So this could create good discussion amongst different teams. Now when the students are done, they need to save their work, and they click on the Save button right here. Now they can also add comments in the comment area. If they have a new comment, they add it here, and it gets added to this block here. So they can see if students have comments or questions, they can put it right there, and the teacher can evaluate them later. And we go back to our projects. Again, this is our listing. We can log out. And we can close this, and that's all there is to using this tool.